Damn, hold on, Jude! Jude! Oh, my mama, you showed out on the motherfucking salmon shrimp and grits. You guys, I'm excited. So Jude Delight was finally freaking open, man. I finally got to catch her, bruh. I'm excited. Oh, my last time here, it was amazing. Okay, y'all. I got some salmon and shrimp and grits. And I got like these tacos. And she was like, man, you try them tacos yet? I was like, no, I ain't trying. I'm only been here one time. I had the burger and the stuffed salmon. She's like, man, try tacos, try tacos. I'm like, bad, baby, bad. They fine. She's like, yeah. I'm like, I'm finna get the tacos. But let me show y'all what this kicking on. Oh. You see that? These are tacos. Yeah, this shit Bob hurt. Y'all mind y'all. I know she be closing early. She be closing early. So, hey, I was going fast. I'm going fast as hell. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so I am about to try these tacos first. Ooh, what am I? What's her name? What's that girl name? Ooh. Okay. Ah, by myself. I don't know what the focus on. This burning the food shit. The damn salt got on my leg. But this is pretty good. It feels like a fajita or something. This is really good. I think it's like Stacy. This is fire. Okay. I'm gonna get this taco. Alright, the whole taco. I'm gonna get a taco. We're gonna get a taco like an 8.5. Maybe. Maybe 9. Only reason why I wouldn't give it a 10. Only reason why I wouldn't give it a 10 is because I don't taste that much like seasoning on the meat, but it really don't need no fucking seasoning to be real. But that's just me. If I like taste like some more seasoning on the meat, it would be a 10. But sure, the 8 and the 9 for this for sure. Okay, I'm gonna eat that later. I'm finna try this salmon and grits. Motherfucking taco good. The great grit. It feels like an authentic taco, like the Mexicans made it. Is that being racist by saying it? I don't think so. But hold on, I'm finna try the salmon. I'm excited. I have never had shrimp and grits. Never had shrimp and grits. People be like, it's fire. Is it? Is it really? It just smells good, y'all. Like the grits. It smells like it got like some cinnamon or something on there. Sugar, brown sugar, something. Is that cheese with the grits? Bruh, I don't even fuck with grits. These hoes fire. I I didn't even know shrimp and grits go together. Oh my god. Yeah, this right here is perfect. This is shrimp fire, grits fire. Let me taste the salmon by itself. Salmon juicy, ain't dry. Goddamn, hold on, Jude. My mama, you showed out on the motherfucking salmon, shrimp, and grits, bitch. Oh my bad. Oh my mother's soul, bro. I swear to God, I don't even eat grits. That's the crazy thing about it. I'm an oatmeal type bitch. I think I'm gonna say this for later. Oh my God, I should have got 2 orders of this. No cap. No motherfucking cap. Okay. This salmon, grits, and shrimp, man, 10. 10. 10. The seasoning, 10. The flavor, 10. The texture, 10. The look, 10. 10. You know, I'm so lame. But nah, no cap. This shit fire as fuck. No cap. No cap. I didn't even know you could put cheese on grits. Anyway, I definitely give this one a 10. I give the birria taco, I forgot the name of it, start for B. An 8.5. I get that one an 8.5 on the taco. Maybe a 9. 8.5. We're gonna stick with 8.5 for the tacos. But anyway, this shit is fire. No cap. Jude, you done did it again, baby. You done did it again. I'm really happy that I got to finally freaking catch you again. No cap. Anyways, you guys, tune in next time to see what food reviews I do next time. God, it is.